So you're going to create a new Unity project. What do you need to know? Well, the first area is your projects tab. If you're starting out, you won't have any projects, so you can simply click New Project. At the top here, you'll notice the version of Unity installed will show up. Currently, the one I'm displaying is 2021. There's 2022 out now. Even though it's 2023, that version's doesn't have a stable LTS version out yet. Probably won't until about 2024. So, but whatever editor version, this will still always look very similar, and it'll be up here in this area. And you can actually select, with your template, you can select which version of Unity you want to use for your project if you have multiple versions installed. Now, really all you need to know is this a 2D game or a 3D game if you're starting out, right? So you can simply look at the templates here, and really these can be changed, but you would just start out with either 2D core or 3D core, whatever version of Unity might rename it. It's just whatever is going to be the regular 2D or 3D, right? They do have 3D mobile and 2D mobile. Now, obviously, this is going to be customized and set up specifically for a phone. So that's only if you know that you are doing a mobile game. If you don't know, I highly recommend you just do the normal 2D or 3D, right? You can change project settings later on. There's all these other fancy things with a test track, with VR, AR, first person, right? Sample scenes for you to look at stuff, so on and so forth. So I would just select, say, like 2D if I'm doing a 2D game. The second part of this is to name your project. And then the location. You need to know, where are you saving your games, right? Very important that you save it into a specific location, that you can access your game, that you can edit your game, so that you don't have any issues.